I would not touch my face after this. Let me give you a backstory of what happened to my face. It's because of my own stupidity. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, this is Drishti Vohra. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to teach you a no makeup look, and it's for all the people जो office जाते हैं, college जाते हैं, because बहुत सारे लोग होते हैं जिनको time नहीं होता, जल्दी से makeup करके उनको बस निकलना होता है. So मैंने जो पिछली वाली video बनाई थी no makeup की, उसमें थोड़े ज़्यादा products थे, इसमें बहुत कम है and very affordable and minimum products. अगर आपको ऐसी look चाहिए and you wanna go to college like this, then watch this video till the end because मैंने एक step by step tutorial दिया है. So now without further ado, let's dive right into it. So guys, before we get started, let me give you a backstory of what happened to my face, because my face is red. It's because of my own stupidity and it's a chemical reaction. So basically what happened was I was applying the Too Faced lip injection on my lips, and when I removed it with the tissue, I forgot that there's lip injection on that tissue, and I wiped my face, and till here I had started wiping my face, which is why there's so much redness. And when I realized this had already happened, and that's why my face looks like this. So I'm really sorry for the inconvenience caused, but please bear with me. I had to shoot this video, that's why I'm just sitting and still doing it. But I would not touch my face after this reaction, to be very honest. I just had to, shoot for you guys, so I'm doing it. Now let's get started. So since there's a chemical reaction on my face and my face is becoming red, and I need all the hydration right now for this look, since it's a very minimal look, so I'm gonna go in with this Cetaphil moisturizing cream. This is the one that I use always, and this is the best one ever, and I'm just gonna use it all over my face super quick. So guys, अब आपको college जाना, you have to step out in the sun, so sunscreen is very important, and I always use a sunscreen whenever I have to step out, or I'm shooting also, because जो lights की rays होती है वो बहुत harmful होती है skin के लिए. So that's why you should always use a sunscreen indoors and outdoors. So I'm going in with this Dr. Shay's for Indian skin sunscreen, and this one is actually good, guys. It works, like, trust me. Guys, 3 finger rule जो होता है वो तो मतलब मैं नहीं follow करती. I just apply a lot. Like, I overdo sunscreen, to be honest, and I don't care. Alright, so since we're done with this, I'm just gonna go in with a skin tint, sort of a cream, and this is from Swiss Beauty. It's the Primer Mousse Foundation, and guys, this is the best thing ever I've used. मतलब जो लड़कियाँ कॉलेज जाती है उनको ये सब तो ले ही लेना चाहिए, because ये बहुत ज़्यादा lightweight and creamy है. I तो love this one. इसको हाथ से भी blend कर सकते हो. You don't even need a beauty sponge, and that's exactly what I'm gonna do. Blend it with my hands today. So आप देख सको if it actually blends or no. It is so good, guys. Like, it's not even, it's literally like a cream. जैसे BB cream वगैरह होती है ना, it's like that. हाथ से blend. Okay, so this is exactly what your face is gonna look like. ज़्यादा ऐसा लग रहा है कुछ लगाया भी नहीं है, but still you look presentable. And यही हमें coverage चाहिए, हमें ज़्यादा tacky और cakey makeup नहीं करना है. So now I'm quickly going to brush out my brows, because मेरे को अपने brows fill in करना पसंद है. And मैं college ऐसे ही करके जाती थी, guys. Like, I literally used to do very minimal makeup, but I don't know why people used to say that My mom's calling me. Hold on. So I'm going in with this Swiss Beauty eyebrow and gel liner 2-in-1. ये मैं हमेशा use करती हूँ. I love it. Let me show you. This is what it looks like. It's really nice, guys. So I don't want to look very made up. That's why I'm just filling थोड़ा बीच में से. I'm not touching this part of my brow. I'm just like filling it in between, ताकि वो थोड़ा लगे कि हाँ eyebrows है. And अब हम concealer use करेंगे exactly like our skin tone, because we don't want to highlight. So I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl Pro Conceal HD High Definition Concealer, and ये वाला concealer बहुत अच्छा है. अच्छी coverage है इसकी, plus it's very skin-like and easily blendable. Funny. Also guys, I forgot to tell you why I made this, because there's this hack that I saw that if you tie your hair like in this style, then you know they'll become curly like without heat. So let me just try and tell you guys if it actually works, and if it works then I'm gonna make a video on it. So that's the only amount of concealer that you need. Take a blending brush and blend it. This is the Pro Art AK88. So yeah, in case you guys start asking me, let me tell you guys beforehand. थोड़ी सी बस कंसीलर से ना कवरेज आ जाती है. अब हम यूज़ करेंगे एक लूज फिनिशिंग पाउडर. ये फिट मी का है. एवरीबडी नोज आई लव using this. So I don't want ऐसे proper baking वाली coverage. तो उसको जल्दी से मैं ब्रश पे लूँगी and just put it. बस उसको थोड़ा सा ना सेट करने के लिए होता है. थोड़ा फेस पे भी लगा लो guys, because your makeup might move. So I'm quickly gonna go in with a lip and cheek tint, and I'm gonna put it on my eyes and my cheeks and maybe my lips. So this is from Swiss Beauty. It's the Craze Lip and Cheek Macaron, and this is what it looks like. I think it's really pretty guys. The color is so nice, and let me like swatch it. I haven't used this. Oh my god, it's so buttery. Amazing. Let's apply it. Wow, it blends beautifully guys. Wow, it's nice. I was underestimating this but it turned out to be good. Looks cute. अभी तक मेरा फेस अपने आप से रेड हो रहा था एंड उसको मैं छुपा रही थी, बट अब मैं उसको फिर से रेड करने की कोशिश में हूँ मेकअप लगा के. But guys, that chemical reaction was really bad. I was worried like what the hell, what if my skin starts breaking out, because I don't break out ever. Eyes पे भी लगाएंगे इसको because it looks cute. थोड़ा थोड़ा बस, ज़्यादा भी नहीं. मैं तो देखो ऐसे ही कॉलेज जाती थी, मेरे को किसी से कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था कि कोई मेरे बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं. मेरे को मेकअप लगाने से मतलब था, एंड दैट्स इट. सो यू शुड नॉट केयर अबाउट एनीबडी गाइस. इफ़ यू थिंक दैट यू कांट वेयर मेकअप टू कॉलेज, डू इट मैन. लाइक एफ एवरीबडी, व्हाटएवर दे थिंक, डू व्हाटएवर फील्स गुड टू यू. And you know, don't think about others. I never did at least, because why should I think about others, you know? I'm gonna do what I like to do, and that is putting makeup, and that's exactly what I still do. Because I know a lot of people say, oh my god, you apply so much makeup, and I'm just like, cool, that's what I am. चलो थोड़ी बग ज़्यादा हो गई मेरी. Anyway, we're done with the cheek part and the eye part. हो चुका है. Lips के लिए ऐसा करते कुछ glossy सा लगा लेते हैं. So guys, this is the lip gloss that I'm going to use. It's the Natural Wash lip gloss, and this is in the shade Truffle. It's like a two-sided lip gloss. ये guys Fenty Beauty का वो है dupe. It's really good, trust me. So अब मस्कारा लगा लेते हैं, बिकॉज उसके बिना लुक कंप्लीट नहीं होगी. एंड मेरे पास एक ही मेरा फेवरेट मस्कारा है फ़िलहाल, एंड इट्स द स्विस ब्यूटी बोल्ड आई सुपर लैश मस्कारा. इट्स वाटर प्रूफ, बट बोलने की बात है, नहीं है वाटर प्रूफ. नहीं मतलब इट डज़ नॉट ब्लीड, बट ऐसे आई लैश एकदम चिपक नहीं जाती इससे, बिकॉज वाटर प्रूफ मस्कारा से आई लैशेज एकदम हार्ड एंड चिपकी हो जाती है. Alright, so we are done, and this is what the look really looks like. I think it's cute and pink. So guys, अब बारी आती है अपने बाल खोलने की, because ये हेयर स्टाइल देखते हैं कैसा लगता है. shit, मेरे बाल खिंच गए. whoa, oh my god, what the hell. Wow, okay, it looks pretty great. This trick works, giving that volume. So this is the final result you guys, and I hope you wear this to college, क्योंकि ये काफ़ी easy and क्या बोलना था मेरे को, easily achievable look है. And yeah, if you like this video, then do let me know in the comments below, and I would love to create more such videos. Now don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.